With little to no experience in paid search engine marketing, we see some mistakes cropping up all too often, but without highlighting them, how will you ever know how to fix them? There's never been a better time to get started as paid search engine marketing comes to the forefront of online advertising, and nearly 50% of small businesses are investing in PPC advertising. Have you tried Broadmatch? This is the most common mistake I see. New advertisers having all of their keywords in Broadmatch. Although Google may love them for it, they only restrict control, burn through the daily budget and tank your conversions. For example, let's say you sell red t-shirts. Because your keywords are in Broadmatch, you may end up with your ads being triggered for searches such as cat wearing funny red t-shirt. As you can imagine, this serves no value and differs from the qualified traffic you should be chasing. Instead, consider using exact or phrase match, as using these modifiers on your keywords will ensure you have more control over what triggers your ads. Keep in mind that although your clicks and impressions may fall, you will be reaching users who are much more qualified and therefore will have a higher chance of converting and becoming a customer. Next up, adding negative keywords. Over time, you should be expanding the number of high intent keywords while simultaneously narrowing down and refining the ones you're already bidding on. Negative keywords give you, the advertiser, the ability to do exactly that. Too often, advertisers new to Google Ads fail to manage their negative keywords effectively. In return, they receive clicks from unqualified users with little to no chance of converting, resulting in wasted ad spend. It's crucial that you understand how to add broad, phrase, and exact match negatives, as this will allow you to get the most from negative keywords. For example, if you have a business that sells British-made watches and in the search term report you see a search term that says Swiss-made watches, straight away you can exact negative this search term out and then immediately broad match negative the word Swiss. Protecting your brand. Often, advertisers new to paid search won't think to bid on their brand terms. But there's a reason 93% of agencies run branding campaigns for their clients, because competitors will bid on your brand terms to try and redirect qualified traffic to their websites. Many advertisers believe that organically being in the #1 spot is enough. However, I see sponsored ads get the SERP's real estate space above an organic ranking time and time again, showing that the #1 organic spot just isn't enough to fight off your competitors. Device bid adjustments. The final mistake we see frequently is not using device bid adjustments. A device bid adjustment allows you to bid a set percentage more for clicks from a certain device. For example, imagine you're running a campaign and notice that the conversions you receive are mainly from mobile devices. With device bid adjustments, you can target clicks from mobile devices by increasing your bid, which can help to increase your conversions. Keep in mind that this also works in the other way. For example, if you notice that desktop devices aren't seeing any conversions and show poor performance, you can make a device bid adjustment that allows you to pay less for a click from that device. If you're in need of a PPC agency but don't know where to look, download our free ultimate guide from the link in the description and learn what it truly means to work with a PPC agency.